What's up, y'all? Be on in a second. Can y'all hear me? What is going on, guys? I am I'm getting set up real quick. I got back from lunch a little late. What's going on, Reed, Gary, Peter, Robert, Adrian, Israel, Maxwell, Anil, Kathy? What's up, y'all? Let me post up on my social medias that I'm going live real quick. I gotta grab some water real quick as well. Why is Bitcoin dropping? That's the question. Let me see. What's up, Daniel? What's up, Dan? Abdel, Michael, Tanuj, Bender, Glenn, Brian, Fidel. I'm here, guys. Don't worry. I'm just I'm posting on my socials real quick. As we watch the price right now. Where do you guys think we're gonna bounce? All right, I got it on my Instagram and posted on Twitter. Posting it on Twitter. There we go. And I'm trying to copy, paste. All right, it's up on Twitter, on Discord. And on Telegram. There's so many places to post. Like, it's crazy. It's like non-stop posting. All right, I think I got it on all my social medias. Cool. Let's see. Where was I? Who was the last person that I saw here? All right, I saw you. I saw Brian. Lauren, what's up? Revved up. What's going on? Amir, what's going on? What's up? Faraz, what's up? Dan thinks 52K is going to be the low. Daniel says 53.5 or 51. You only get one guess, man. You can't have two different prices. Brian says 47K. What's up, Arbaz? Zemo, what's up? Marky Mark says 52,800 as the low. Faraz says mid 53K. What's up, Jay? How you doing? What's up, Vladimir? What's up, Mike? What's up, Med? What's up, Fawad? What's up, Sal? Looking for the bottom to re-enter. Yeah, man, you just gotta, when this is happening, you just kind of you kind of gotta let it happen, you know? And once it seems like it's bouncing, like you're getting a nice bounce back, that's when you look for an entry. You don't want to be entering on drops like this. Reed says 47 coming soon. What's up, 0618 Crypto? What's up, Akash? What's up, Nick? Nah, man, you shouldn't be worried. This is a long-term play. Don't stress on the short term. That's what I'm talking about, Glenn. Glenn has a super specific number, $53,482. Is that the low? No, it's not the low. What's up, Leo? Dan, I do not use Market Cipher. What's up, Mario's? Nice cut. Thank you. Maxwell says bottom at 48.6. I am doing great, Jay. Thank you. Except for this drop. Other than this drop, I'm doing great. Tanuj, I think my volume is pretty good. Yeah, we're currently on support right here. Look at the support. Justin, I'm doing amazing, man. How you doing? What's up, Mike? Myra, what just happened? That's why we're all here. Dylan says bounce off 52 support. Tunisia says 4,700. GA, I don't know, man. Hopefully it doesn't go that far down. 3,800, that's a long way down. Is bull run over? No way, dude. After 1 hour, 4,700. Peace out, Mike. Thanks for tuning in. What's the reason for the crash? So, I mean, right now it seems like prices are following just the equities market overall. As you guys can see here, we have support right here. You had support there, and that's currently we're at the same spot. And this same line, you can see it played as support there, support there, support there before eventually it broke that support. It was a support and resistance there. Played support. So we're at a very, very crucial spot here where we need to hold. If we fall below this current support, we can potentially retest 52,000. This area right here. And if we fall below there, then you guys already know we could retest this right here, which is that 48,000 zone. So, I mean, I think it's going to hold. I think we've already fallen a lot. Like, I don't even know why we've fallen this much. It's correlated with equities today. There's not really anything else that's negative news out there, you know, that should be affecting Bitcoin. Like, inflation news should not be affecting Bitcoin in a negative way. Inflation is good for Bitcoin. That's the whole point of Bitcoin, is a hedge against inflation. So with that news there, that should have pumped. I don't know why the prices did not pump, because the market is going down because on inflation news. Bitcoin should be going up on that news. But right now it's correlated to equities market. Yeah, Skylar. That's a good way to learn, right? You had no choice but to hold through the dips. There's no way to know that it's a bounce, that it's a bottom, Brian. There's no way to know. The only thing you can do is look for back in history places where it did bounce, and hope that it bounces there again. So that's the way you play that. There's no way to know 100%. Biden. Thomas says it's Biden's fault. Diego, right now, I would stay out of the market. I wouldn't look for an entry at the moment. What's up, Med? I already said hi, bro. I noticed that you said it's Moo from the group. I said what's up already. What about Dogecoin? What about it? Nice haircut, bro. Thank you. I literally just got a haircut, so I might still have hair on my face. I don't know. The equities market is the stock market. Neo, best opportunity. Neo's cool. I wouldn't say best opportunity. It's cool. I have some Neo in my portfolio. Hot Doge. Jay, I don't think that's it. There would be no reason for that to affect, anything. Even even China's digital, money, it's still the regular money. It's nothing changes. That's a good idea, Justin. Get on Ethereum on this drop. This is when you're supposed to buy, guys. When you're looking for entries, people are always asking, where's the pullbacks? When do I buy? Guys, this is when you buy. You buy during pullbacks. When people are afraid, when there's greed, when there's a panic and fear in the market, this is when you buy. Don't ask me in a few days or next week, once the price already jumps back up, when should I buy? This is when you should buy. for long-term positions. Michael, nah, this is not caused by the 58K resistance. Yeah, Daryl, you should always try to hold at least like 10% of your portfolio in cash. It doesn't have to be 10, but maybe 5 to 10%. So during these crashes, you could dump money into it. Yeah, I saw that, Jay. Buy the dip, guys. Buy the dip. Yeah, Marky Mark, I'm thinking the same thing. Bitcoin's always flowing in and out of exchanges. I mean, I don't make decisions just based off of that. What's up, Amari? All right, I'm like way behind in the chat, so I have to just skip to the bottom, guys. It's hard to catch up. Support for Ethereum is at 4,000. D's, thanks for the update. No problem. Jay, I missed what you put because I had to skip down to the bottom. Life-changing action? Nah, it's not the end of the bull market. The bull market hasn't even been going on for a year yet. The average bull market is 2 years. So it's definitely not the end. Just another pullback that we will forget about in a month. We won't even remember. Yeah, there's a gas situation, but I mean, that shouldn't affect too badly the markets. Especially everyone's going electric now. Like everyone's driving electric vehicles now. Oscar, if Ethereum gets its update and fees become almost zero, will Ethereum be? I mean, I don't know about fiat of the future, but prices will definitely go up. Ethereum entry is 4K, but because of the price action at the moment, it's very risky. So if you guys are entering any short-term trades, I would risk less than 1%. Yes, guys, do as Marky Mark says, smash the like button, guys. We only got 27 likes, but we got 95 people in here. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Let's get that up there. Michael, buy the dip for long-term positions. Stay out of the market for short-term positions. Yeah, that's for sure. There's so much more institutional investors now than before. They're not gonna let the price just drop. Even if we do go into a bear market, it's not gonna go. I don't believe it'll go under $20,000 unless all the institutional investors sell. It's not gonna go, beyond that. No, I don't think it has to do with the U.S. digital currency because that shouldn't affect crypto in any way. That a U.S. currency is still fiat. It changes nothing. They could still, by it being a digital currency, then now they can print it digitally. Like, unless they add scarcity to it, it's still infinite. So it changes nothing. Tell me about Dogecoin. Well, I have a video about Dogecoin that you can check out. What is this? Oh, I was on the live stream. You can check out this video and it will tell you about Dogecoin. Let me go back to the charts here. Um, panic buy. I don't see Bitcoin going below 52,000. I don't see it going below that either. Um, I'm I'm I believe this will hold here, but let's see. I don't think India has banned cryptocurrency. Yeah, Jeffrey. Every day we've had a dip, basically. Like basically every other day we have a dip, right? um, why Ethereum networks fees so high? There's a lot of traffic in Ethereum, so there's a lot of things going on in Ethereum network. So there's an update coming in the summer that should relieve some of those fees. It should lower the prices of those fees. Oscar, for long-term investments, yeah. Anytime there's a dip, it's always a good time for entry. Will this make it crash? Will what make it crash? A cash? No, I don't think that's the reason for the drop. Ethereum, Stellar, and Cardano. Yeah, those are good holds, Nick. Wells dumping. I don't know. I don't know if it's Wells dumping or people panicking and Wells buying. Zarmander. If Bitcoin crashes, everything crashes. Bitcoin is a king of the market. Remember that. So whatever Bitcoin does, the rest of cryptocurrency, for the most part, follows. So you can see that it's red, and almost everything else is also red. There's always gonna be some that don't follow, but for the most part. Do you think we may see a bounce in the next 4 hour chart? We don't know yet. We gotta wait and see right now. Right now, we're in just wait and see mode. I do not know how Matic is going up right now. Yes, Anu Deep, everything, almost everything is falling right now. Let me see. Robert, indicators I use is mostly Fibonacci retracements, RSI, moving averages. Um, you know, I use basic stuff, man. I don't trade based off indicators. I trade based off price action. Indicators will not make you a better trader. They remember, indicators tell you the past. They don't tell you what's going on in the present. They don't tell you what's going to happen in the future. Hey Jay, how long do you think this bull market will last? I don't know. I think we still got some time. I can't put a date on it, but I say we reassess, at the end of the year, towards the end of the year. What's up, Mateo? How am I feeling about XRP? XRP is fine. I think once they finish their case, they settle, it'll go up. And especially once it gets relisted onto US exchanges, it should definitely go up. It'll probably double at that point. Asia, I have no thoughts on Polygon. I don't even know what that is. Yeah, Gino, traditional markets is the reason why it's pulling down crypto markets today. So this happened also on Monday. Remember, Monday was a red day in the equities. So it pulled down crypto as well. I don't know why it's so correlated with it right now, but it's been pulling down the market. Yesterday, everything was more or less flat, or green. So everything went up yesterday, including crypto, including traditional markets, and then today everything's back down. So Scattered about 100 million Shiba Inu token. Wow, that's a lot. Good luck. I don't even know how much 100 million Shiba token is worth. Varun, it depends. If you're buying for long term, then this is a price that you can dollar cost average at. If you're buying for short term for a trade, I'd be a little wary here because we don't know if we're going to get the bounce yet. So I'm not entering any short term trades at the moment. Shaq, what's going on, my brother? I love you too, dog. I don't think anything about Shiba Inu, guys. I don't invest in meme coins. Saksham, I do not believe it'll fall that far. That's really far away. Yes, I want to see a beautiful double bottom here as well, and a huge bounce up. Maybe this is what we need to get the momentum to break 60K. Yes, sir. 128 people watching right now live. We got 50 likes, people. Let's get 50 more of you that have not liked the video yet. Let's get you guys to like the video, and let's get that up to 100, guys. Come on. I will like it with you. Look, let's do it together. I'm going to go to my own video. Boom. Let me pause it before I start talking. Hold on. Okay, there you go. All right, guys. On the count of 3, we're at 50 right now. On the count of 3, all 130 of us are going to like the video at the same time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom. Liked it. Look at that. We're at 62 now. Instant success, guys. Instant success. Let's see. I'm trying to keep up with the chat, guys. It's hard. For Ethereum, 4,000 is the price that's the support. But because of the way the market's going, it's a risky entry. There's no other TA that needs to be shown. That's I'm telling you the TA. Lauren, I do not know much about the BitTorrent token. Zarmander, I've heard a lot about Solana, but I am not invested in it. I don't have any money in it, and I haven't really done any research on it myself. Varun, I have never used CoinSwitch. I think I've heard of it, but I've never used it. Let me see. Yeah, but the inflation rates spiking up should help Bitcoin. The whole point of Bitcoin is to hedge against inflation. No, I don't believe that this indicates an earlier bear market. Bitcoin is just following the equities market right now. Nah, Shaq, I don't put money in meme coins, man. I don't even know what that is. Feg. I have no idea what that is. Sounds like Meg from Family Guy. We should create a meme coin of like Stewie from Family Guy and just put like his round head as a coins thing. Let's see who would buy that coin. The Stewie token. Stewie coin. And we pump it up and we all become millionaires. What do you think? What do you guys think? I have not heard of Willy Coin. Luffy is because the entire market, the equities market, which is a stock market, it's going down a lot today, and Bitcoin has been correlated recently with the stock market. So with the stock market being down today, the U.S. stock market, Bitcoin's also down. Christine, thank you for liking the video. Appreciate it. Soren, thank you, man. Soren says, hey, bro, keep up the awesome work. Greetings from Germany. Thank you, man. Appreciate you tuning in. Best time to invest for short trade? Not while the market's dumping. Amen. The current support of BTC is 54K, 54,000. Is Asia awake yet? I don't think Asia's awake. Isn't it like 4 a.m. in Asia right now? Something like that. We're getting to the close of the U.S. stock market right now. Right now it's bouncing. Bitcoin's been bouncing on at 54 right now. You can see the support right here. I have it drawn up there, nice and pretty for you guys. Varun, that's up to you. I can only tell you what I'm doing. I'm not invested in Dogecoin. That's all I can tell you. It's up to you if you want to put money in it or not. Don't know what Moonchain Finance is. Great work, bro. Thank you. Paul says, hey man, greetings from the UK. Appreciate you streaming and giving us all the benefit of your experience. Ethereum possibly on the bounce right now. Yeah, Ethereum. Remember, Ethereum support here is 4,000. Yes, another crash. French, I have no idea. It's too new of a coin to know how big it's gonna be. To try to make any predictions. There's not enough data. What's up, Andre? No problem, Christine. Appreciate you. Did I just start? I've been on for about half an hour now. Matic is pumping. It's 1 a.m. in India. 1 a.m. in Asia as well. Okay. ETH crossed 4 lakhs this month. What are lakhs? Anthony, I'm not the person to ask about altcoins. I mainly trade. I'm more of a day trader, and I trade Bitcoin and Ethereum mostly. Altcoins, I have money in some of the top 10, top 20 altcoins. That's about it. I do not invest in meme coins, guys. I do not invest in new projects that don't have enough data for me to make good, decisions off of. Yeah, it's always good. I think altcoins are just to make more, satoshis overall. That's the whole point of it. My dream car, a Lambo, of course. Why else would I be in, why else would I be in crypto without the dream car being a Lambo? Ethereum's getting a nice little bump here. Let's see if it can sustain it. Wow. Experian just sent me a message. Your credit usage decreased significantly on at least one of your accounts. Oh, thank you. I've been working hard to to do that. Thanks. Let me see. All right, guys, we got 112 people in here. What's going on, guys? We have 79 likes on the video. We need 21 more likes to hit 100 likes, guys. Let's get it. We have a nice bounce going on right now here in Bitcoin. It's bouncing. It's using that bounce. We're getting a bounce here in the market. If we look at Ethereum, it's also bouncing at that $4,000 level, getting nice bounces here in both. Let's see if it continues up. We need to get back above 55K. Let's get back above 55K. Let's see. Arthur. I think this is the market right now is just following the equities market. Let me see. Nah, the skylines are cool. You know, I used to like the Nissan Skyline when I saw it back in the first Fast and the Furious movie. Um, it's cool. I mean, I'm honestly not much of a sports car person. I'm more into luxury. I like luxury cars over sports cars. You were just waiting for me. What do you mean? I was waiting for you. I've been live for 40 minutes. Where you been? How long can such a crash take? It could take as long as it wants, man. As long as the market wants it to last. You know, we have no control over that. Yeah, this is 54K is support for Bitcoin. Yeah, Paul. Market Cipher follows my cause. So that's definitely possible. A quarry is booming. I don't know what that is. My opinions about Bat and Stellar. I'm not invested in either one. So I really don't know. I know Stellar's been around for a while. So has Bat. But I'm not invested in them. I don't really care for altcoins. I make more money with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Jeffrey, no, I don't believe so. This has to do with the equities market being down. It's a natural emotion to panic. You know, this happens every other day. It happens, and everybody panics, and then the price goes up. Then everybody's happy, you know. Then the price drops down again a few days later. Everybody panics again. They say this is the end. We're all doomed. The bull market's over, and then the price bounces back up, and everybody forgets about it. Then a week later, everybody the price goes back down. Everybody starts panicking again. This is it. We're all doomed. It's over, and the price goes back up. And then this has literally happened for like the last what? We're in May. This has been happening, I'll say, since August of last year. In August, I think we hit like 15K or something like that, and then we like pulled back a little bit, and everybody was like, "That's it, we're going back to 3K." And then we kept going up. Then we got to 20K, and we pulled back a little bit, and everybody was like, "That's it, it's over." And then it went back up. It broke 20K, and we hit 25K, and we pulled back a little bit. Everybody was like, "That's it, it's over." And then we broke 30K. We went all the way to up to 42K. Remember at 42,000, we retraced, we pulled back to 28,000. Everybody was like, "That's it, we're all doomed, it's over." And then it went back up again. This happens all the time, literally. Like it just keeps happening over and over, and people like, you know, anytime it drops, everybody calls for the end of the bull run. Charlie, nice to see you in here, man. No problem. Mario Jimenez, buenas tardes. Do people move to cash in a bear market? Yeah, for sure. Any new people in here? Who's new in here? Where's my new people at? Yeah, we're getting a nice bounce here. We don't need no market cipher to see the bounce. I've seen a lot of people get wrecked with market cipher too, so I wouldn't depend too much on that. Hey man, right now when the market's just dropping, there's no need to do an analysis on altcoins. All altcoins are dropping right now. So the only thing that's important really is Bitcoin. After Bitcoin is Ethereum. Those are the only two things that are important that you should be paying attention to. Yeah, bounced pretty well. Angel for Truth since last year. What happened since last year? Yeah, on this chart, this is a 4-hour chart. We're almost oversold. Not quite there yet. It's pretty neutral. Arthur, I'm looking for a bounce. I'm not buying yet. I would buy probably above 55K. I think if it goes above 55K, then I feel more confident in that entry. Farid, welcome to the family. Gino, welcome to the family. Simraji, I probably said that really wrong. Singh, what's up? Welcome to the family. Christine Vasquez, welcome to the family. Thank you guys. Stefan from Germany, welcome to the family. Dave Bruce, what's up? Stradell, I've seen you in here before, man. Don't lie to me. Guys, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, guys. I appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. We're at 90 likes and 120 viewers right now. We need 10 more likes, guys. Let's get to 100. Wait for the Asian market open. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, Brian. I'd hold stable coins during a bear market. Marky Mark, you're a noob. Are you a noob here? Oozman, pump it. Isabella, yeah, for sure. I'm definitely taking profits once I start feeling like we're at the peak of the bull run. Yeah, Ethereum is very strong versus anything really right now. No problem, Amen. FaZe, what's going on? Leo, not at the moment. There's not really any trade to be made right now. What? That's Ice. That's some sort of plugin. Ethereum again. We have to see a bounce. It's not good time. You gotta just relax, bro. Ice Ralph, you're new too. Welcome to the family. George B, that support means there's a lot of buyers that are buying at that level. So it pushes the price back up. Dave Bruce, new subscriber. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. Welcome to the family. Why the 4-hour chart? That's the chart that I prefer to trade in. Omkar. Hey, bro. What's up? Master Prof or Prof? So another crash? Yeah, pretty much. As you can see here. Cocinando en casa con Felo. Hola. Hello, sir. I want to talk to you. You are talking to me. BTC inflow on exchanges? I don't think anything about it, really. Yeah, I day trade on 4 hour time frames. My strategy, I trade based on price action. Marky Mark, thank you, man. I appreciate it. I try to keep up with the chat as much as possible. It gets a little difficult sometimes, but I do my best. I promise. Oh man, I don't know, man. I wouldn't trade TRX at all. You gotta figure out if you want to hold or cut your losses, man. It's not an indicator. No indicators will tell you anything like that. It's all market sentiment. It's market sentiment. Just a lot of different things in price action. The way the price starts moving. Also, you have to take into account the time that we've been in the bull market. Yeah, Daryl, Ethereum, anything that moves up is gonna always get the hype because Ethereum Classic is not really a real project. That's the old Ethereum. When Ethereum had an update, it got split into two different blocks, and the majority of people went with Ethereum, which is why it stayed called Ethereum, and everybody else stayed with the previous Ethereum, which is now called Ethereum Classic. Yeah, Ethereum will definitely eventually hit 5,000. 4,000 is a good price to buy in at for long term positions for sure. Master, you've asked the same thing like 4 times, and I already answered your question. Sebastian, I don't know. I don't think so. 3,800, I'm not sure. If we didn't hit 3,800, I don't know if we will. Only if Bitcoin continues down. As long as Bitcoin holds currently where it's at, we should be fine. Malena, what's up? Delays, huge delays, only a few seconds. I'm just behind on the chat. I'm trying to catch up on the chat. Paul, thank you. Appreciate it, man. Welcome to the family. I try to stay level headed and calm about all these. I know people are panicking, so I try to provide, that calming shoulder to cry on as the prices go down. Elvis, it's hard to know if it's gonna drop more or not. Right now, the support is here at 54,000. So as long as that holds, then we should be fine. Brian, there's definitely always a lot of algorithm trading going on. That happens in a lot of markets, in basically all markets. Yeah, that's why I tell people, like, people always want me to look at altcoin charts. Altcoin charts aren't that important. What's important is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Everything else is not as important. Anthony, yeah, I only day trade Bitcoin and Ethereum. Um, the strategy, I trade based on price action. So it's really based on experience from seeing what the price does and learning prices really well. So that's why it's better to trade to just focus on a few coins like I do. I only focus on 2 coins and I trade it with leverage and I outperform every single altcoin out there just by trading these 2 coins. So while everybody's chasing meme coins and just random projects, I'm outperforming you just by trading 2 coins, and I don't have to, just dump money on random projects. ADA and Link, I think they're good projects. I have money in both of those. ICX, I do not have any money on. I don't know. I haven't looked at ICX in a really long time. What's up, Justin? For your poop coins? So I always say, Desiree, I always say do a top-down analysis. So start at a higher time frame, like monthly, then go to weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. I wouldn't go below 1 hour because it's the more you're zoomed in, the more inaccurate that the patterns are, and that technical analysis is. It depends. It depends how you're looking at it, Thomas. You could really draw ascending line kind of right here, and if we can stay going like that, we can stay possibly pop back up. Because this is high, higher high, higher high. So and then this is the low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So we can pop back up above this area is going to continue this pattern of higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, the market makers definitely decide. Sebastian, I don't know. It's hard to say because of the price action right now. It's kind of scary to jump into a trade and possibly dump on you again. So if you're entering any trade, I would say try to enter one around the 4,000 mark and risk a very small amount of money. So risk 1% or less of your trading capital. Jeffrey, I trade XRP sometimes. I'm not currently trading it right now. I do have a position in XRP though, but I'm not like day trading it at the moment. Yes, Idris, I have my shoulder for you to cry on. Yeah, Justin, that's why I like to come on the live stream when prices dump, which is it's pretty much when YouTubers are probably not going live because they don't want to answer all these questions. But I like to go live during these moments and give people, you know, some some positive vibes to go off of. You know what I mean? Guys, we just hit 100 likes. Thank you guys so much. We got 137 people in here right now, and we have hit 100 likes. You guys are the real heroes here. You guys are causing this bounce in the market. So you guys are the real heroes. The more you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel, the higher we're gonna bounce, guys. So if you want to hit new all-time highs, we need everybody to share this video. There's a live stream right now. Ishara, I give my trade setups every Monday and Friday on the videos. So make sure to check those videos out. Gino, there's no reason to trade if there's no price movement. Just chill. You don't have to force trades. You don't have to be in a trade every single day. Sometimes you just gotta chill, sit back, relax, and enjoy life. You know what I mean? There's no need to trade if there's no trade. Stefan, I do live streams on Wednesday, every Wednesday. Um, and every and then randomly throughout the week, I might jump on live if there's a big drop like we've had today. Like for example, on Monday we had a drop, and I did a live stream as well. Neola, I trade on Bybit. I do not trade on Binance. Gamer Royale, what's up, man? How you doing? Gary, thank you. Thomas, you know what? Like we're about to hit 5K already. So 5K is 100% is gonna happen. 10K is a possibility because remember in the summer we have the 1559 upgrade, and that's supposed to reduce the fees in Ethereum, the gas fees. So that could definitely, it's supposed to burn coins as well. So that could definitely help Ethereum double up again. Mohammed, hopefully Bitcoin will go up again. That's what we're watching for right now. Karam, of course I've got liquidated. If you've traded with leverage, I've never got liquidated, then you have never traded with leverage. Thomas, you're from Ireland? What's going on, man? Crypto for 2 years. Amazing. Daniel, I hope so. I hope you're right. ETC is yours. You can have it, bro. Exactly. The more likes we get, the more we bounce, guys. It makes perfect sense. See, Christine gets it. Yes, Christine. That's why I'm here. Moo, it's up to you, my guy. Let me see. I'm trying to say your name. Melesi? Milesi? He says, fair play. When the dips are in, all other YouTubers go missing. This guy hides from no dip. Bull by the horns. Calms the troops. Appreciate it, bro. No problem, man. Thank you for the kind words. That's the whole idea. I'm trying to be the person that goes live during dips while everybody else is hiding, you know? That's good. That's my edge over the competition, right? Marco, 5%, that's not even a normal correction. That's just a normal day in crypto. Yeah, if you guys are entering, remember, if you guys are entering, I don't recommend entering a trade right now because it's so risky for short term. If you're gonna enter a trade, use very small amount of money. Um, it's very risky right now still. Even though we're getting a bounce here, it's still risky. So if you're going to enter, for example, in Ethereum 4100, you can enter it. Just know just know that it's a risky entry and use 1% or less risk. Okay, so you want to risk less than 1% of your entire portfolio. What does that mean? That if you lose the trade, depending where your stop loss is, your loss will be 1% only. It won't be more than that. Nicholas, I do not see it crashing to 40K. No, I do not. 40K is a very big, it's very far away still. Marky Mark, on Bitcoin, I usually use around $250 more or less from my entry. It just depends. It depends because the thing is, I do things a little bit differently. Um, but I have experience and I know how to manipulate my position. And I have enough funds that if I'm wrong, I'm never gonna get liquidated out of my position. So so it just depends, man. 250 is a good place to start. Your stop, your first target should be double whatever your stop loss is. So that's kind of how you can find it. Dina, I have no idea. That's a good question to ask them. I have no clue. It'll follow Ethereum maybe to some point, you know, but I don't know. Yeah, we need 10K likes to get 60K Bitcoin price again. Yeah, we have a double bottom on the 4 hour time frame as well. From Monday. Look at this was Monday and this is today. This is a double bottom. And if you count this one, that's a triple bottom. No risk, no fun. What's your lowest daily trade gains? What does that mean? I don't know French. I don't know what you're asking. What does that mean? Lowest daily trade gains. Mousy. Okay, Mousy. Mousy. Mousy 884. What's up, dude? No problem, man. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate it. BTC has reverse in it. I like that word. In it. Where he from? In it. So far it's bouncing at the support, but we're not out of the fire yet. We need to get up above 55K for me to be convinced that it's a bounce. Desiree, that's a good idea. Yep, as not if because when you trade in spot, you won't get liquidated. So if you're wrong or if you mess up, you just gotta hold on to the position, keep it open until you're back in profit, which usually is a couple days or a week, right? Avery, you already know, man. I had to get a nice cut, man. It had been like a month. I literally just got back from the barbershop. Like my phone was blowing up because the price was dumping while I was on the chair, on the barber's chair, getting a haircut. Alex, I advise 10x and below for anyone that's new. Remember, leverage does not make you a winning trader, guys. All leverage does is um it escalates basically the type of trader. It magnifies the trader that you are. So if you're a losing trader and you lose leverage and you use leverage, you're gonna be a bigger loser. You know what I mean? Yes, like Avery said, learn before you earn. Double bottoms and triple bottoms are usually reversal signals. Angel, yeah, that was actually on Monday. It went from 4,200 to 3,650, and then bounced back up. And then yesterday it ran all the way back up to 4,300. Um, and this morning it dropped back down. What do you mean? How to manage open Ethereum positions on Bybit? You have to be a little bit more specific. That's too general. Can you please say risk? I don't even know what you're saying. I don't know how to pronounce those words that you just typed. Thomas, I have no idea, man. I have not looked at the prices for that. Amen. I think it's something with your speakers, man. I'm looking at my levels here. My levels are fine. You know, I record every day, so I know that the microphone sounds fine. Is anyone else having audio issues? Daryl, it's up to you, man. I wouldn't say just buy any coin that's in a loss, you know? LS can't hear you. Let me see. Pumpkinhead. Pumpkinhead says, yay. Yearn Finance is now the most expensive crypto. Yes, it is. They get what is it that they got? They got like a partnership or something, right? Singh says no. Charlie says audio's perfect. Mohammed says nope, no audio issues. Live she 54,000 is the support zone here. Christine says no audio issues. Angel says audio is fine. Gamer Royale says audio is perfect. Irma says we can hear you. This seems to be a much better correction than the flash crash on Monday. Yeah, it's not as bad as Monday. Monday was like a really sharp and fast drop. It all happened like within an hour. So a lot of people had issues, and that was caused also by liquidations. I know a lot of people got liquidated on Monday. Mousy says no audio issues. Evan Sean, do you mean if it goes up, if we break above 55,000? Is that what you're asking about? Yeah, I mean, meme coins have always been not good. You know, it's meme coin is more gambling than investing. Daryl says audio is good. Thank you guys, appreciate it. I just yeah. So whoever, I forgot who was saying that they had audio issues, but I think it might be your speaker. I know I saw two people said they had audio issues. So try to reset the stream or something, because I see the levels here on my end are fine. And everybody, the majority of people in the chat are saying that the audio is good. So if you're having audio issues, try to refresh the stream, or refresh the app that you're watching in, refresh your browser, whatever it is that you're watching me on. Mousy, bro, I honestly have no idea. I've never looked into it. I've heard of it, but I've never looked into it. Charlie Harper, do you think this stream will get 200 likes? We will get 200 likes if you guys want to see a bounce on Bitcoin. If you guys want to see a bounce, then like the video. We'll get to 200. We'll see a bounce. If not, if you guys don't care for a bounce, then, you know, don't like the video, and we won't get one. All right, Richard or Ricards. How to manage open contracts on Bybit. For example, 500 contracts at 3,700. Got this position at 4,200. I should sell 50% and then again buy at the dip and again 250. I'm still not clear on what you're asking. Did you enter at 3,700 and you're asking if you should take profit at 4,200? Is that what you're asking? Livingston says audio is fine. Evan Sean, can you ask your question again, because I forgot what it was? Colin says the audio is clear and loud. Michael says audio is fine. Gamer Royale, audio is fine. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Wholesome Nutrition, yeah. If we hold the support, then we should consolidate here, hopefully for a little bit, and then consolidate to the upside is what I'm hoping, and breaking back above that 55K level. That's what I am hoping for. We saw a similar thing here on Monday. Look at what happened here on Monday. Then yesterday we went up, and then today we dropped back down. Eight likes off of that. Yes, guys. Yes. Wisdom, you could DM me on Instagram and I'll send you the info. We accept USDT payments for 3-month minimums if you're looking to enter the trading room. On 4 hour, head and shoulder. I don't know. I wouldn't say that that's a head and shoulder yet. $200 likes defeats the FUD. Yes, I agree with Marky Mark. Yeah, Livingston for sure. There's craziness going on in Israel right now. Is anybody here in Israel? I hope you guys are being safe out there if you are. I started trading about 5 or 6. I don't know what year are we in? 2021. Probably like 7 years ago, maybe more. I wouldn't say the bounce is canceled. Just uh, just wait it out. Let's see. There's gonna be consolidation. Nadine, Wi-Fi is up a lot right now. I wouldn't buy it when it's up so high. I imagine some sort of pullback will be coming. Cardano held strong. Nice. Luis, it kind of already dropped to 53K. Um, as far as moving averages, you can use them as confluence. Don't use them as the only signal to make a to to try to make a trade or to figure out which way the market's going. I wouldn't use them as the only signal. No, it has to be that in line with at least two other things. Wisdom. No, we don't do that, man. Math's easy. Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two basic cryptos. Vitalik dumps dog coins and donates it to charity. What? Yeah, Palestine as well, for sure. Sebastian, I like ADA, Link, and BNB. I'm also invested in those coins. The Eastern market in 3 hours. So the stock market just closed now at 4 p.m. So 22 minutes ago they just closed. So let's see what Bitcoin does now. French Bybit is not U.S. regulated. No. What? For bed soon, so may wait until tomorrow to trade it. Paul, I'm in Florida. I'm in the U.S. in Florida. I would say if you're going to bed and you can't manage your trades, don't open a trade. It's better to get a good night's rest than have that worry in your head, you know? Damn, it's too new to have a perspective on it. I don't There's not enough data out yet. So I don't trade new projects. No problem, Wisdom. Trailers, yes, I use Fibonacci levels. I do not have any of those, Thomas. It doesn't really affect Bitcoin, the closing of the stock market. But because Bitcoin was correlated with the stock market, that's just why I was mentioning it. Um, no, we did not expect this dump. Brian, it's really up to you, man. You know, if you want to be anonymous or not, it's up to you. No problem, Paul. Guys, so we're at 152 viewers in here. What's going on, guys? We have 135 likes right now. Let's get those likes up to 200, guys. Where are the new people to the channel, and how did you find us? Did you find us through YouTube, Instagram, or a different platform? I'm trying to figure out where the new people are coming from. Your fib shows, yeah. Look at my Fibonacci level right here. Are you just reading my Fibonacci level, bro? I would never go all in on anything. Pro mode. Yes, Justin. In the trading tutorials, I have a tutorial on Fibonacci. I'm using the Fibonacci extension. Dodo found me on YouTube. Evan Sean on YouTube. Charlie on YouTube. Benjamin on YouTube. On YouTube for Angel. YouTube for LV She. Trailers on YouTube. Recommended live stream. Cool. YouTube recommended. YouTube. Miami, but in Paris at the moment. You found me in Miami, Lawson? What? Gino found us on Pornhub. I already have a tutorial on Fibonacci. Christine, awesome. I'm glad that you guys found me. Damn on Instagram, awesome. New follower, welcome to the family, man. Where's my new subscribers that just subscribed this week? Lewis, you can start buying now, like for a long term. If you're talking about long term, now's a good time to buy to average down. Evelina on Instagram. Paul, you're in the top 6 on YouTube, which I guess is good, right? Yeah, I guess it's good, right? That's awesome. Welcome, Paul. Appreciate it. I don't rely on Fibonacci's, but I use them as another tool. So when you pair them up with other indicators, they're actually really good. Myra, awesome. I'm glad that you were able to find the channel. Thomas on Instagram years ago. Lawson said my cousin in Miami told me that you're the best channel, so here I am. That's what's up, Lawson. Appreciate it. Who's your cousin? Do I know them personally? I'm in Miami as well. That's why I ask. Which support and resistance? This is a Fibonacci level. Daryl, there's not really a number. There's not really an answer for that. Yeah, it's consolidating now. That's why I'm saying that it's not really a good time to enter any trades. Traders, that's what I'm hoping for. I hope we can move back up, but we got to break above 55K first. You see here, we broke above 55 on Monday, and then we ran all the way back up to 58. And then now right now we're not moving, you know? So we got to wait to see if we can get this break up to the upside. We got to get back above 55 to see then, you know, have some space to continue up to 56. Maxwell, you found me on my candle video. Awesome. The understanding candlesticks for beginners. French YouTube recommended. That's awesome. I don't pay them anything. I barely get recommended though, so you're one of the lucky few. Price action is the candles. Exactly what's happening in the candles is price action. Thank you, Malena. Appreciate it. Do you like it? Do you like the haircut? How about the beard? I trimmed it as well. The blood diamonds say? I don't use blood diamonds. Hello from South Africa. What's up, Bandit? Thomas, LA or Miami? I like both, but I live in Miami, so I would say Miami. I didn't found you, you found me. Yeah, buying right now is very risky. How long do you think we will wait? We need a convincing bounce. I want a bounce from Bitcoin over 55K. Then I'll start entering trades. Below 55K, I have no interest. JYS, it depends. I don't know yet. We got to give it time to see what the price action looks like. Dummy, I don't have any thoughts on ICP. It's too new of a project. So it needs to, it's in price discovery at the moment. So you can't put a value on it. When a project is that new and it comes out, you can't put a value on it. So you just gotta, I don't invest in anything new like that. Yeah, for sure, Christine. I have a lot of different tutorials. If you go to my to the page and you go to playlist and you go to trading tutorials right here on the bottom, you hit view full playlist. I have a bunch of different stuff. So Bybit is the exchange I trade on. I have a video how to buy the dip, how to make $100 day trading Bitcoin. So this is me live trading. Bitcoin options expiry explained, which happens every month, is a very important video you guys should check out. How to calculate position size, another live trading video, HODL versus day trading, the different strategies. Another live trading video, should I buy Bitcoin now? How to trade Bitcoin's leverage, understanding candlesticks for beginners, profit taking strategies, Bitcoin explained. So I have a lot of different things, including trading view tutorial. So I recommend checking that out. Damn, you cashed out at 62K 2 months ago? Angel, that's a good price to cash out, but when are you putting the money back in? Thank you, Milena. Appreciate it. Um, 4-hour candle plus Fibonacci plus price action. Is there anything else? I also look at RSI. I look for other support and resistance zones. I look for dynamic support and resistance zones. I look for psychological support and resistance zones. I look at price history. I look at chart patterns. I look at different time frames. There's a lot that goes into it. It's not as easy as saying I just use this, and that. Like, it doesn't work like that. There's a lot of variables that go into everything. Charlie, I mainly watch it in 4 hour when I'm looking for trades. If not, I'm in the daily. If I want to zoom out a bit and get and understand the bigger picture. If not, I go to weekly. If I really want to understand the bigger picture, as you guys can see, this is just a big bull flag here. And then monthly. I don't really go into 1 hour. I don't care for the 1 hour time frame. Nothing wrong with it, but I just prefer 4 hours as my main time frame I watch. Below 54K, the next support level is 52. Brian, I do not invest in any NFT projects. Bullish divergence on what time frame? Christine Vasquez, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Appreciate the support. She subscribed with notification, guys. Guys, you should follow her example. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. We're at 146 likes, guys. Let's get it to 150. He would have been a better trader. Where do I see ADA in 2-3 months? I have no idea. I don't predict for things like that. On you. That is not true. You only get wrecked if you don't know what you're doing. Yeah, Thomas, that's usually how it goes. That's why you should always be taking profits. It's same content. Telegram and Discord. Mohammed, I don't look at the price of the coin to know to decide whether or not I'm gonna invest in the coin. I don't. That's not how I decide if I should invest in something. Lawson J, yeah, I hold about 80% of my portfolio for long term, and I day trade with about 20%. 1 hour time frame and lower, it's too inaccurate for me to look at patterns or any type of divergences on there. Justin, no, I don't think so. Crunk, yeah, ADA should definitely hit $2 at some point. Sing just switched on notifications. Awesome, man. Amazing. Simon, yes, it has been mentioned, and like I said, it's too new of a project. I haven't looked into it, and I have no interest in trading it or putting money in it because it's so new. So right now it's in price discovery. You can't really trade that. You don't know what its actual value is yet. Marky Mark, yeah, it's still in neutral though. It's in the neutral zone right now. Let me see. Weekly RSI returning to encouraging level. Yeah, this has definitely helped, I believe. Let me see where it's at. Yeah, so we're back in, because you guys can see here, we're super oversold. I mean, overbought at 94. And we've slowly come back into neutral territory on the weekly time frame. Let's see on the daily we're in neutral. 4 hour we're in neutral. In a monthly we're still overbought. Yeah, uh, Bozo Sapien, and we're also in a bull trend. So my bias is with always with the trend. What color is your Lambo? Probably blue. EOS. Oil shortage and new war. Yeah, that's why the stock market crashed. And Bitcoin is just kind of following, and also the inflation news and all that other BS that's been going on. Daryl, I have a video on how leverage works. If you go over here to here, this video right here, leverage explained, you can check out that video, and I show you, I talk about exactly how leverage works. I'm not giving you a shout out if you're spamming the chat. Yeah, for sure. Thomas, I haven't worked a real job in about 6 years. Like when I say real job, I mean like I haven't had a boss in about 6 years. Since since 2015, I think was my last time I ever had like an actual boss. I just work for myself. I trade, and I have multiple businesses, and I'm mostly an investor. Guys, please don't spam the chat. Blue Lambo. Guys, I do not have a Lambo. Yeah, you're getting timed out if you spam the chat. You're not getting a shout out. Like I have no problem answering every single person that that ask a question, but if you're spamming the chat, you're not. I'm not going to. You're gonna get. Hold on. What is this? IRS will seize your crypto if you can't pay back taxes. If you're a cryptocurrency holder with past due tax debt, your provable holdings may be confiscated by the IRS if you don't pay back what you owe. But I lost my keys. I lost my keys. Oh, did nice. My bot just closed an XRP position for some profits. Nice. My Ethereum position in my bot is currently down, and my Bitcoin position is currently down. So I have if you guys don't know, I have a trading bot I'm currently working on that I will be offering to the public at some point soon. First, I'm offering it to my private group, to my team. Then I'll be offering it to others. So right now it's in two different trades. So it just closed a trade for $123 in XRP, and so far on the day it's closed around $200, $219 in Ethereum, and $133 in Bitcoin. I'm currently in positions in Ethereum and Bitcoin. Those positions are currently down, but it's been buying the dip. It bought the dip basically. So I needed to move up a little bit so I can make my profit. I needed to go up to 4150 is where I'll be in profit for Ethereum. Yeah, 4150 for Ethereum, and my bot will close the trade. The tax regulations, I mean, right now they're just proposals, and it's negotiation tactics. You know that they're gonna start off at ridiculously high number, and then they're gonna end up probably being around under 30%. I doubt it's gonna be above 30%. Why wouldn't it work? Thomas, it's hard because you have to know how to set the correct settings. If not, you will get liquidated using a bot. And I tell you this from experience because I've been working on this bot for about 2 months now. I've had it trading live for 1 month with real money. And at first, it was not good. So I had to learn a lot of expensive lessons at first. But that's why I started with fake money first, and then I put in real money. But in a month, I only lost 2 trades. So, no, actually, I'm lying. I lost 4 trades. I think it was 4 losing trades. It's because the position got liquidated because the drop was so fast. So the bot couldn't keep up with the position. If not, I wouldn't have lost those trades. Mousy, that is wild. You have a wild imagination. But I agree for anyone that spams. Alejandra, I do not have any money in EOS currently. Um, Not for any reason. It just, I don't have any money in it. Slim Pickens, one Bitcoin currently costs, as you can see right here. If you see right here, $54,523. But the good news for you is that you don't have to buy one full Bitcoin. You can buy a tenth of a Bitcoin or less. You could buy $5 worth of Bitcoin if you want, and you'll still have a piece of Bitcoin. EOS spiking now. Nice. EOS spiking in the opposite direction. EOS is minus 17%. What are you talking about? On the daily chart, it's possible. That does look like a head and shoulder. I mean, so it's definitely possible. We'll have to see what happens here. Thomas. No, there's no AI involved. It's me really. You know, like I'm the one that sets up the settings and the rules, and then depending on market sentiment and what I think is going to happen from looking at the charts, I change up settings. So I'm literally upkeeping the bot, you know, every single day. I don't hate EOS. What? No, I do not hold any IOTA. I used to back in 2017. Yeah, EOS is down huge. But again, everything is basically down right now. Like a few exceptions. If we look at coin market cap, you can see there's a lot of red on the daily. Look at Shiba Inu, down 36% today, up 1,191%. That's just stupid, dude. Look at the guys. Look at the circulating supply. Wow, guys. 394 trillion. 394 trillion in circulating supply. Trillion, guys. That's why it's so cheap. Doesn't mean it's good. Thomas, yeah, it's through API. Joke. Yeah, definitely not going to zero. Vitalik owns 50% of Shiba? I doubt it. Is Ripple a coin flip? I don't think so. I think Ripple, once they settle, it'll probably double. Mohammed, again, I'm mostly only in Ethereum and Bitcoin. They are the foundation of crypto. All right, guys, I have been live now for an hour and 45 minutes. I'm gonna do it for another 8 minutes. I'm logging off at 5 p.m. So we got 8 minutes left, guys. We have 151 likes and 141 viewers right now. If you guys have not liked the video, make sure to like the video, guys. If you guys are new here for the first time and you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell as well. Remember, on Mondays and Fridays, we do market analysis. Tuesdays and Thursdays, we do tutorials, reviews, and news. And then on Wednesdays, like today, we do live streams, as you guys can see. What's up, Oscar? What's going on? You're late, bro. Where you been? You missed everything. Yeah, it's kind of bullish. You can see already that this first candle, we closed above the support there. So that's a good sign already, similar to here. So we closed above the support. So we need to stay above the support. But I want to see a break of 55K to then enter into a trade. Below 55K, we can still continue testing the support and just kind of bouncing around down here. So I'm looking for entry above 55K in Bitcoin. Yes, Ghost. Hopefully we bounce. ADA question mark. Yeah, Eric, I'm going to be once the bot is ready and I start bringing in people from my group, and once everybody's set up, anyone that I want to make sure to give everybody in my group, in my private group, the opportunity first. I'm gonna kind of do like a slow rollout, and once everybody has had the opportunity, then depending if the infrastructure can hold everything, then I'll be bringing I'll be making it public. No problem, Justin. Thank you for tuning in. We've had a lot of people in here. We've consistently had over 100 people in the live stream today. Appreciate you guys. Oscar working. You should be working on these trades, man. Um, Med, the same thing. Nothing has changed yet. We're still at the same thing, bro. You've asked the same questions like 10 times. Bro, doubling your money is a lot. I don't know why people people don't think that doubling your money is a lot. Like, where else can you double your money like that? You know, there's no other market where you can just instantly double your money. No problem, Nocturnal. Thanks for tuning in, man. Thank you, Sing. Appreciate it. I don't think Ethereum will surpass and replace Bitcoin. No, I don't. I don't believe so. 88 to the moon. Yeah, it's about to hit $2 soon. It should be hitting $2 very soon. Mohammed, yes, I recommend Bitcoin and Ethereum for beginners. The bot's doing great. It's made me about $500 today so far during this dump. And once it closes the Ethereum and Bitcoin trade, it should make me probably like another 1,000 plus. So gotta wait to see. Yes, guys, hit the like button. We're at 164 likes, guys. Can we hit 200 likes? Matt Huffman, what are you sorry for? Michael, I've honestly never even looked at Lisk. I don't even know what that is. I know it's an altcoin, but like I don't even know like what the project is or the point of the coin. 1%, thank you. Appreciate it, man. There is casino. What? Big fan from Iran. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Done. Thank you on you. Appreciate it. LAVA lava. I would say stick to basic coins, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Start off with that. Build your foundation, your portfolio's foundation around the most consistent coins. Need to stay 10 more minutes for what? Repeated your thoughts on the crow? What? What do you mean? Uh, day, day night, or whatever your name is. I can't. I'm gonna just call you Day. Uh, you could find out all those questions. It's in the description. If you go to the description and click on the link for the group, it'll give you the pricing on and all that. The platform we trade on is I trade on Bybit. You can trade on whatever platform you want. The group is on Discord. If you use that the payment gateway in the description. It's mostly short-term trades, and it's based on charts. Mousy, I use Bybit. Tom, we had a mini crash, but right now we're holding up well. So let's see what happens. Algo question mark? Tom, you're new? Welcome, new Tom. I'm gonna call you new Tom. EOS. Okay. Zach, I don't know why you keep saying EOS. Extra 10 minutes for 300 likes? We haven't even hit 200 and it's already 5 o'clock. The time is out. Yeah, for the past few months, Bitcoin's just been consolidating. Look at this range. Look at the range that it's been trading on. This is crazy. So if you've been paying attention to the range, like you could have made some good profits here. Yeah, XRP, if you have $130, yeah, hold it. XRP is going to be good. Right now, it's currently in a court case. I imagine it's going to get settled at some point soon, and the price will go up. Yeah, it's a head and shoulders on the daily, but then you have to remember that we're in a bull market. So the probability of that pattern playing out is a lot less. Matt, what my thoughts on Crow is, I don't invest in it. I don't like exchanges like crypto.com that forces you to hold their coin in order to get, bonuses or whatever. Crow also has a lot of a big supply circulation. But other than that, I mean, it's fine. They just have they have a lot of circulating supply, so it's not gonna move up a lot. Unless a lot of people buy. Like, it's not. I think there's better opportunities out there. One like from the new Tom. Thank you, Tom. I appreciate it. Zach, sorry, bro. No one's streaming today. Man, people are scared to stream when there's a dip. And for me, I only stream when there's a dip. So 111 minutes? What? Algo question mark? Mohammed, what do we learn in the trading group? And we learn how to trade. It's definitely beginner friendly, and you don't need a lot of money, but you have to be willing to learn before you earn. If you're going in there with the idea of getting rich quick, getting rich overnight, getting rich in your first month, it's not going to happen. Robert, my Discord is free. I have a free version of the Discord, and then I have a paid version of it. So in the description there is the link to the free side of the Discord. You can join there. I know EOS is a crypto, but I'm saying, like, why do you keep writing EOS? I know it's a crypto. I know what it is. I see it here. I know what EOS is. I don't know why you keep writing it. Winnie Lee, I'm doing a video on that exact question tomorrow. So you know how I was moving from Blockfi? Well, it took me one entire week to get approved to take my own money out of Blockfi. So, like, that really annoyed me. It annoyed me so much. Like, why, if it's my money, why does it take a week to take out? Like, it annoyed me so much. So I'm doing a video on that tomorrow. Tariq, Casper Labs, I have No thoughts on it. I have not looked into it or researched it or anything like that. Tariq, one like for you, sir. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. It was 39 in January. Nice. I've heard of Lisk before, but I've never really looked into it. Um, ETC just kind of following Ethereum. Not really any other thoughts in that. Yeah, it is BS. Tom, I would say above 55,000. If once the price goes above 55,000, it's a good entry there because that will be a bounce and there will be some momentum back to the upside. Just had the same problem with Blockfi. Yeah, man, it's really annoying. Like, and they keep decreasing the payments, the interest rates, and all that, and then they just hold your money. Like if they're a bank, like I didn't like that at all. So yeah, I'm pulling all of my money out of BlockFi. I will be testing a new platform, and I'll show you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna do my video on that tomorrow, and I'm gonna test it for a month and see how it goes, and then go from there. Yeah, Glacius, everything's down today, man. We need to see a bounce. I think once Bitcoin gets above 55K, then the rest of the market should follow and start bouncing. Robert, no, I'm not buying TRX. Gino, yeah, they're all a little sketch, you know. Austin, no, it's not a crash. Um, yeah, hopefully we can recover. We got to see what happens when Asia wakes up. That's going to be the key. Actually, the first key is going to be in 3 hours when we get a new daily candle. Let's see which way the market starts going at that point. So in 3 hours, pay attention to the chart. As long as 54K holds, uh, Bitcoin should not test 52,000. Candice, I'm not sure. Because I don't know what Binance charges. I don't trade on Binance, so I have no idea. You'd have to look up, the fee that Bybit charges and look up the fee that Binance charges and compare them. I have no idea. Mosin, I have not. I've never even heard of automated market making. I don't even know what that is. Bilal, I'm really big on Litecoin. I think Litecoin can see $500 probably. A 10% drop is a baby crash. Like in the crypto market. That's a regular day. Yeah, Thomas, it happened on Monday. Zane, I don't really have like a top five list. I have Ethereum, Binance, not Doge or Tether, Cardano, XRP, Polkadot. Like I like all of those, and I like Litecoin. I'm not in ICP. That's too new. I'm not in Bitcoin Cash. Uniswap, Chainlink. I like those as well. Um, VeChain, Solana are also cool. ETC is cool. EOS is cool. Theta's cool. Filecoin's cool. I'm not in Tron. Not in Shiba. Not in Monero. I have Neo. I don't have AAV, but it's a cool project. Um, I'm not in FTX, but they've been making some major moves. Pancake Swap, I like Pancake Swap. I don't know, man. Like, there's a lot of different coins. I don't have a top 10 list, you know? I've never used Voyager, no. Sebastian, that's tough. I don't really like opening up trades while I'm going to sleep, so it's tough, man. I don't know. Yeah, I agree. Everybody needs to zoom out for sure. What do you mean? How do you exit a trade when what? Thank you, Malzi. Yes, guys, come on, let's get to 200 likes. 22 more likes. I will answer questions for 22 likes. Gary, have you been in here the entire stream, man? Have you been here for the whole 2 hours? Europe is going to sleep. Yeah. Yeah, Asia will be waking up next. No problem, Robert. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Michael, it depends on what are you trading, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Your targets should be before resistance. So look for a resistance, and your target should be right before it. Just a typical crypto day, Daniel. Glacius, yes, I own a lot of Ethereum. Hi, Mohad. Yeah, yeah, it's definitely shaking out people, and Bitcoin is known to love sweeping the lows, like it has here. You see how it swept the lows and making sure that it stops out people, shakes them out, and then goes up. Um, Ending the day where Bitcoin's gonna end the day, I have no idea. I appreciate it, Mozzie. XRP is currently in a case against the SEC. Yes, BTC does affect all other crypto. How to put a resistance line? I recommend you checking out my support and resistance video, and I explain exactly how to do that. Support and resistance explained, guys. Check that video out. It will tell you exactly how to find support and resistance. Yeah, that's what the majority of people found me on OnlyFans. That's where I have my largest following. It's a joke, guys. I don't know when the case for XRP hearing is. I don't think it's today. It's only a dumb play if you sell at a loss. Yeah, Mousy, but BitBoy has been doing it for a long time. I think he's been on YouTube for like 4 years or something like that, 4 or 5 years. I don't know. That's when I started in Instagram. But see, my specialty was Instagram, so I started with Instagram, and then 6 months ago is when I started now with YouTube. So I gotta pay my dues. I gotta earn my respect, and I gotta grind my way up. So that's what I'm doing right now. I don't mind it. It's a grind. You gotta love. You gotta love the grind. If you want to succeed in anything, you need to go through the grind, and you need to love the grind. So it is what it is. I'm gonna grind through it, and I'll be up there soon. I'm not worried about that. Thank you, Glatheus. Appreciate it, man. 54K I don't like. I like 55K better. No res. Evan Sean, I would say 57 to 58K. Glatheus, that's not that bad. It'll be back. Fabian, I warn people all the time about meme coins, man. There's only so much I can do, you know. If people choose to go that route, they're gonna get burned eventually. No problem. Alrighty, guys, we have hit the 2 hour mark. It's beyond 5 o'clock. It is my time to hop off of here. I have to. I got a lot of things to do now for the rest of the day. I gotta get some exercise in. I've been just here working, sitting down all day. I need to get some exercise in, guys. Um, so make sure to tune in tomorrow. Doing a video tomorrow. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like the video. Turn on the notifications, guys. I appreciate you guys so much for being in here. You guys have been incredible as usual. I have a video tomorrow coming up, and if there's another dump, guys, in the market, you already know I will try to go live. If I'm home, if I'm available, I will do a live stream as well. All right, guys, I am here to help you guys out when you're scared and panicking in the market. So don't worry about that. I got you. I got your backs, guys. I appreciate you guys, man. You guys are the best. If you have any questions, you can send me a message on Instagram, bitcoin.daily. And I will try to answer all the messages if I see it. Robert, I run and I play sports. I play in adult leagues. I play some sports, man. So all right, guys. Appreciate you guys. Have a good one. What time next live? My lives are usually around 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'll be here. It's either at that time or the next dip. So I'll be here, guys. Guys, as always, peace and love. I'll see you on the next one.